is that for every elected leader, starting with His Excellency the President, what were his commitment to the people of the Republic of Kenya? And if you look at those commitments, is he delivering on them or is not delivering on them? And I can confidently confirm that he is delivering on each and every commitment he made to the people of this country. And he had 5 priority items. Number 1 was agriculture. Because for a very long time, we have had a lot of challenges with food security. And if you remember well, as soon as he was elected, Kenyans were on the streets because the cost of unga was unbearable. Today, that is not the case. Has he delivered on that commitment or not? The answer is yes. And I could speak to many other things in the agriculture sector, whether it's sugarcane, whether it's coffee, whether it's tea. And he's not just delivered for the people of Kenya, he has also delivered for the people of Kisumu County and the people of this region on matters agriculture. Number 2 priority was on healthcare. And for a very long time, and these leaders here will tell you, if you looked at their phones, they were in all manner of WhatsApp groups, contributing money to pay for medical bills. Today, if they're in those WhatsApp groups, it's about how to bury those who unfortunately have died.